What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Poco M4 5G smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. For this testing purpose, the refresh rate of the display is set to 90Hz, the battery setting is set to performance mode, and we will use the game turbo feature available on our Poco M4 5G to play all of these games. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So let's play these games and let's see how good the performance of Poco M4 5G is going to be. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So right now the battery percentage is 94, CPU temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 34. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the graphics quality is really good and the gameplay feels very smooth.
Which part of you hurts the worst?
So you can see that we are getting 89-90 FPS here while playing Injustice 2 on our Poco M4 5G. And there is no frame drops, no lagging, graphics quality is great, everything is smooth, and we are constantly getting 90 FPS here. So there was a minor drop. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Poco M4 5G. We were getting 90 FPS, no frame drops, no lagging. The graphics quality was great as well. Let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage moved to 93, CPU temperature is 39 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. Let's close all of these and now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, by default, medium graphics quality is selected and medium frame rate. I can select the high frame rate with medium graphics quality. If I go to low, then the frame rate option I am getting is still only high. So I will select the medium graphics quality and high frame rate. And as you can see, I have still downloaded the HD resource pack for our Call of Duty Mobile. Now let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So you can see that we are getting good amount of details here. Gameplay is very smooth, lots of detail we are getting. If you have a look on the wall, this car here, the wheels of the car, lots of details and everything. Now let's play the game a bit and let's see how good it's going to be. Once again, if you have a look here on these tires, lots of detail we are getting.
Online. Forward sentry Chinese deployers. Swarm activated.
Changing mag. Tango down.
We've taken the lead. Stealth chopper inbound. Sentry deployed. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Hostile inbound.
So as you can see, everything is nice and smooth. While playing Call of Duty Mobile here on Poco M4 5G, the graphics quality is also quite nice. No frame drops or lagging is happening, even though we are playing this game on medium graphics quality only.
Tango down!
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Target down!
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
Enemy down!
So you can see that we are getting 60 FPS here on Call of Duty Mobile while playing it on Poco M4 5G. 60 FPS constantly, as you can see here. So gameplay is quite smooth for sure. There is no frame drops or lagging is happening.
Stealth chopper inbound.
Target down! Tango down!
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Target down!
Destroyed enemy's UAV. Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Enemy UAV spotted. Our sentry destroyed enemy's UAV. Predator missile inbound. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Enemy down. Enemy contact.
Swarm sentry chopper on standby. Swarm activated.
Target down.
Sentry gun deployed. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Reloading! Cover me! Tango! Target down!
Friendly online missile inbound. Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Tango down.
So everything was nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Poco M4 5G. There was no frame drop, no lagging, graphics quality was good, even though we were playing this game on medium graphics quality, and we were getting 60 FPS constantly while playing this game here on Poco M4 5G. So let's go back from here, let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage is 91, CPU temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, and the battery temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. So let's close them all, and now it's time to play the next game for today, and that's Asphalt 9. Here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality, and the 60 FPS mode is not available at all on Poco M4 5G. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. The graphics quality is quite nice. If you have a look on the ground and all, The graphics quality is quite nice. Gameplay is not super smooth, of course, because the 60 FPS mode is not enabled, but still there is no frame drop or lagging is happening. Everything is nice, smooth enough to enjoy the game, and the graphics quality is good for sure. So the CPU temperature is 40 degree, 41 degree Celsius, battery is at 39, and the battery percentage moved to 90. Let's close them all, and now it's time to play the next game, and that's going to be the Alto's Odyssey. So the graphics quality is quite impressive. The gameplay is looking very smooth as well here. Let's play it a bit more and have a look on the FPS as well. So you can see we are getting 90 FPS while playing Alto's Odyssey on Poco M4 5G. So the gameplay is of course very smooth. The graphics quality is also quite nice, and there is no frame drop or lagging is happening, as you can see here. Once again I collided, so I'm just going to leave it here. I wanted to give you an idea about the gameplay and how smooth it will be if you play it on Poco M4 5G. Let's close it, and now it's time to play the last game, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics quality of PUBG Mobile, you can see HD is selected for the graphics and high for the frame rate. I cannot select HD onwards. HDR, Ultra HD, USD is not available. If I go to balance, then I'm getting the ultra frame rate option enabled. If I'm going to smooth, it's still the same, so I can select balanced with ultra. So this is the option I'm going to use to play PUBG Mobile, because majority of the people, they prefer getting better FPS compared to better graphics. So as you can see, we are getting good amount of details here. If you have a look on the costume of the character, the wrinkles, the reflection of the light on the shoulder pad, it's quite nice. And if you have a look on the ground, still the amount of details we are getting is good considering the graphics setting on which we are playing this game. And it is looking smooth as well here. So once again, the graphics quality is looking good enough. The 3D graphics rendering is nice. As you can see, There is not much action is happening, as you can see here. But I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gaming capability of the device, and if you are a PUBG player, you should be getting it right now. It's just that I'm not a good PUBG player. So I'm just gonna leave it here because, as you can see, not much action is happening. I'm just wandering here and there, getting this stuff. So if you are a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea about the gaming capability of the device. As you can see, it's not that bad. You will be able to play and enjoy the game without facing much issue, as the graphics quality is still good enough to enjoy the game and it is smooth enough to play it. So let's go back from here and let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage is 88 now, and the CPU temperature is 41 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. But the good part is that the device is not warm at all, just slight warmth sensation here because of the holding the device continuously while playing all of these high-end games, but it is not hot for sure. And as you can see, the performance of the device is still same. There is no lagging, no frame drops, everything is nice and smooth while playing all of these high-end games on the highest possible graphics setting here. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.